Hi friends, welcome to my channel Roy Formulation. Here we are discussing about the solving standard quadratic congruence of composite modulus. Modulo a product of two odd primes. And in this connection, in continuation, today we are going to discuss about this congruence, that x square congruent to p square mod p power n into q, where p, q are two distinct odd primes. Here special is that these two p's are equal. Here is p power n, any power, that is only p square, that is x square congruent to p square mod, that p is also here, p power n into q. This is speciality. It has 2p solutions. That depends number of p. If p is 7, it will have 2 7 matlab 14 solution. If p is 13, it will have double, means 26 solution. This is the means. By Roy formulation, these solutions are given by this formula. X is congruent to p power n minus 1 q k plus minus p mod p power n q. Wherever these values of k ranges from 0, 1, 2 in this way, p minus 1. These are the p minus 1, p values of k. And as it is a quadratic congruence, every k has a 2 values, that means plus minus p. This gives 2p solutions. Our congruence is x square congruent to p square mod p power n q, when p and q are distinct odd primes, and it has a 2p solutions. This p, it's a double, and 2p solution, and that formulation given by Roy formulation as this x congruent to p power n minus 1. This power n, it's 1 less than that n. The p power n minus 1 into q k plus minus p mod p power n q, and that k is from these, from 0 to p minus 1. These are the p values of k. For different, these values of k will get different solutions. In this way you will get 2p solutions. Let us explain this by giving a suitable example. Example 1. That congruence is x square congruent to 25 mod 875. It can be written as x square congruent to 25 means 5 square. It's 5 square mod 175 can be expressed as 125 into 7. Again we can write it as 5 square mod 125 means 5 cube into 7. This is our. Now x square equal to 5 square mod 5 cube into 7. This is of the type, this congruent of type, this one, that x square equal to p square mod p power n q. Here our p equal to 5 and q is equal to 7. So here our p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 7. What is our n? That value of n is 3. So by Roy formulation, solution is also given by this formula. Okay? No. Therefore, by Roy formulation, the solutions are given by this formula, that x is congruent to 5 power 2 into 7k plus minus 5 mod 125 into 7. Means we have substituted values of p and q and 3. That is p minus power n minus 1 means 3 minus 1 is 2. That p, so 5 power 2 into 7k plus minus 5. And that means 5 square is 25. 25 into 7 is 175k plus minus 5 mod 875. Where these k's are k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is p equal to 5, p minus 1 is up to 4. And this gives me 5. It doubles to 10 solutions. Here this has 10 solutions. Which is congruent to, for 0, k equal to 0 is 0 plus minus 5. Then for k equal to 1 it is 175 plus minus 5. Then for k equal to 2, k equal to 175 is double, that will be 350. Plus minus 5. And for k equal to 3, for k equal to 3, that is 525 plus minus 5. And for k equal to 4, it will be 700 plus minus 5 mod 875. Now, here plus minus 5, 0 plus minus 5. Plus minus 5 means 1 is 5. There is minus 5 means 875 minus 5. That is 870. Then 175 minus 5 and 175 plus 5 means 170 and 180. Then 350 minus 5 and 350 plus 5, that is 345 and 355. And here it is 525 plus minus 5 means 525 minus 5 means 520 and 525 plus 5 means 530. And the last one is 700 plus minus 5 means 700 minus 5 and 700 plus 5. Then 700 minus 5 means 695 and 700 plus 5 means 705 mod 875. These are the 10 solutions because p is 5, it's double means 5 is double is 10. These are the 10 solutions of this congruence, that x square congruent 25 mod 875. Let us consider one more example as example number 2, x square congruent to 49 mod 245. It can be written as x square congruent 49 means 7 square mod and 245, that is we can write 49 into 5. That means x square congruent to 7 square mod 7 square into 5. So it is of the type that x square congruent to p square mod p power n cube. Here our p is equal to 7 and q is equal to 5 and our n is equal to 3. Not n equal to 2. N is equal to 2. We have 7 square. P equal to 7, q equal to 5 or n equal to 2. That is, it is of this type, x square equal to p square mod p power n cube. So here also you can use the Roy formulation. by Roy formulation is x is congruent to p power n minus 1 q k plus minus p mod p power n q. Now put the values of p, q here. So what we get? P power n minus 1, or n is 2. P is equal to our 7. It will be 7 power 1 into q is equal to 5 k plus minus 7 mod 49 into 5. Here our values of k will be from 0, 1, 2, 3 and k p equal to 7 up to 6, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 7 values of k. It's double, that means 14. That this congruence has 14 solutions. So we get, that is 35k plus minus 7 mod 245. Now one by one put the values of k from 0 to 6. Now if we put k equal to 0, it will be 0 plus minus 7. If we put k equal to 1, it will be 35 plus minus 7. Then for k equal to 2, 35 double is 70 plus minus 7. Then for k equal to 3, that is 105 plus minus 7. Then for k equal to 4, 35 into 4 is 140. 140 plus minus 7. And for k equal to 5, that is 175 plus minus 7. And then k equal to 6 means 210 plus minus 7 mod 245. So these are the 14 solutions for k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For k equal to 7 values, we have 14 solutions. Now we have to write the answer. That 0 plus 7 is 7 and minus 7 means 245. 245 minus 7, that means 238. Then 35 plus minus 7 means 35 minus 7 and 35 plus 7. 35 minus 7 means 28 and 35 plus 7, that is 42. Similarly here 70 plus minus 7, that means 70 minus 7 means 63 and 70 plus 7 is 77. Here also 105 minus 7 and 105 plus 7. So 105 minus 7 means 98 and that is 105 plus 7 means 112. Similarly here 140 minus 7 is 133 and 140 plus 7 is 147. And then here also 175 minus 7. 175 minus 7 is 168. And 175 plus 7 is 182. Yeah, 210 plus minus 7 is 203 and 217 mod 245. So these are the 14 solutions. So such type of congruence always has double P, 2P solutions, double of the prime. Here our prime was 7, so 7 double is 14. These are the 14 solutions. Okay.